So hello and welcome you all to sailtomdsacademy Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, Director of the Academy and Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now this video is regarding the GPSC Class 1 examination, mainly for the MDS cleared students only. BDS people are not allowed for the Class 1 examination. Remember dear student, it's a subject specific examination. So why I am making this video? The simple reason to aware you regarding the tentative dates and everything, to aware regarding the exam format, how you have to plan, what most students are making mistake, and at the end I'm also going to announce the course which we are providing for the Class 1 examination also. Okay dear doctors, so you know for the associate professor around 23 whooping seats are there. You can check on the screen the number of seats for the concerned subject. Mostly the advertisement is going to come in the month of July, exam will be in the month of November, and the interview will be around April. So you can see you have around 7 to 8 months for the preparation, because exam is going to be little tougher because it is subject specific. And remember, your concerned subject is not that subject is going to come. You have to study the basic subject. Whatever you study from first, second, third, the 3-year subject, also the questions used to come. Now you can see dear students, for assistant professor it is 36 seats are there. You know, it's a very good announcement that the 36 seats. So those students who have just recently completed MDS or those who are planning to join the academics in government dental college, the opportunity is good for you all. So 36 seats are there, and that tentative advertisement will be in the September 2024. MCQ exam will be on the Jan, and the interview will be around June 25. Okay dear students, now what is the exam format? If I will see last 2 years, mostly in the Class 1 dentistry where all subjects are there, they used to ask GK also. Concerned subject or subject specific, sometimes GK they don't used to ask. Okay, only the dentistry 200 questions used to come. We are going to get the exact information regarding this when the advertisement complete detail will come in the month of July and September. Now dear student, one important thing I want to tell you, if at all GK is there, you don't have to focus completely on the GK. I have seen many students think that okay, we'll score in GK. Okay, but it is not like that. Your maximum score will be in your dentistry subject only, where your concerned subject plus basic subject, whatever you study from first, second, third year will be there. So if at all you want to get selected, you have to score around 160, 170 in the dentistry subject. GK, I'm not telling you should ignore completely. You should focus around 30 to 50 questions, because GK is very vast. The politics, about the state, current affairs, mathematics, you know, the culture, and number of things will come, which you cannot think of scoring 70 out of 100. But in dentistry, which you are doing day to day, in and out, you can score easily with, if you work hard, around 170. And GK, you know, 30-40 marks are more than enough. Okay, so if at all you score, if 300 mark paper is there, if you correct more than 200 questions, the selection chances will be more and more. And what my academy provide, dear students? We provide more than 50 exams. Okay, concerned subject micro videos will be there. It's not a boring lecture of 2 to 3 hours. I know after doing MDS, people like to sit and hear the lecture of 2 to 3 hours. The micro lecture, subject or topic specific lectures will be there. Okay, you can access the lectures anytime, anywhere based on your convenient timing, and we have an app also to access everything. Okay, if at all the GK is included, we are going to provide the important papers and notes of the GK, which will be helpful for your examination. Dentistry, completely 100% guidance we will provide with the materials, but for the GK we will provide the basic important materials and the important guidance to the dear students. You can check out the screen, all the important details are there. Okay dear students, and we have the good collection of the past papers of the GPSC recent, which will be helpful for you for the revision and to complete your preparation in very good manner. But remember dear students, it's a good opportunity, those who want to join government sector plus academic, but you need to be disciplined regarding your preparation. If at all anybody wishes to join or any help they want, you can contact me, you can WhatsApp me, the number is there on the screen. You can check out my website or you can mail me also. Till then, dear doctors, thank you all. Any problem, just let me know.